In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a scheduled post in Hootsuite. Whether you're a seasoned Hootsuite user or just beginning to manage your social media posts, knowing how to modify or remove scheduled content is an essential skill. Deleting a scheduled post might come in handy if plans change or an error was made. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you're comfortable with. Simply type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit Enter. Once you've located the Hootsuite website in the search results, go ahead and click on it to reach the login page. Next, you'll need to log in to your Hootsuite account. Use your credentials, the username and password you normally use, to access your dashboard. If you're logging in on a shared or public computer, make sure to avoid the Remember Me option to keep your account secure. Once you're logged into your Hootsuite dashboard, you'll see a variety of options. Focus your attention on the menu here and look for the tab labeled Streams. Click on Streams. This section is essentially your home for managing scheduled and published posts across your different social profiles. In the Streams section, you'll see various streams that you've set up. Each stream might represent different social media profiles like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or they might denote different categories, such as My Tweets or My Posts. Identify and select the specific stream that contains the post you want to delete. Now comes the step where you locate the specific post you've scheduled. Carefully scroll through the stream until you find that scheduled post. It might help to check the date of the post if you have multiple scheduled posts lined up. Once you've identified the right one, look for the More Options button associated with that post. It's usually represented by 3 dots or a small arrow. Clicking on More Options will present you with several choices. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Delete. Once you click Delete, a confirmation pop-up will likely appear. This is a fail-safe to make sure you really want to remove the post. Select Delete again in this confirmation window, and the scheduled post will be successfully removed from your queue. And there you have it. You've now successfully deleted a scheduled post in Hootsuite. This can be incredibly useful when you need to adjust your social media strategy on the fly or correct any mistakes. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.